For Fall 2023, Nike Sportswear will debut a brand new women's hemp colorway to its Dunk Low Next Nature collection. Wearing a color combination of sail and hemp. With mesh tongues and lining, this version of the Nike Dunk Low is made of leather. It has a grind rubber sole, a hemp foundation, and sail overlays. The design is completed by the Volt insole, which is a trademark of the company. Check out the official images and keep an eye out for the women's Nike Dunk Low Next Nature Hemp to drop at select shops and Nike.com in the near future. $115 is the suggested retail price.